Here at Kysor Epta US, we are committed to being the stewards of our environment, making change better for our customers, but also for all the people in the world.
We know that climate change is happening, and we need to make efforts to actually address that, not only for us, but for new generations.
We are doing everything possible to make it easier on the industry to transition into the new refrigerants. And it's been very normal for 50, 60 years without a lot of changes. And the changes that we've had in the last 5 or 6 years have just been more than we've had in all the years before. I've been in refrigeration 42 years, and this has been the most exciting time in all of those 42 years as far as changes go.
We at Kysor Warren, we are building mostly CO2 systems. We have different technologies that can address those regulations. We know the regulations are coming. It's a matter not of if, it's going to matter of when. And that when is now be 2027.
Yeah, so with the impending regulations coming down from our federal government, the Kysor Warren's answer to that is to make this Eco2 Large line. So the Eco2 Large, it's a standard rack. You can get up to 9 compressors on it. It's outfitted to handle all the patented technology, ETE, FTE. So it's really exciting to see a product that is so standard create more reliability and just be a more sustainable product.
We are developing new technologies to make accessible the technologies and the implementation of those CO2 systems all across the globe.
It works in all of the climates here in America, even in South America.
We are doing everything possible to make it easier on the industry to transition into the new refrigerants. We're trying to pick a lane, and we're going to try to stay in that lane to make it easier for everybody to make the choices they need to make to be sustainable and move into the future and beat all those regulations and be ahead of the game.
I believe we should be a good steward of our planet, and it's exciting to develop the technology that allows us to do that.
We're taking every step we can to grow tremendously in terms of environmental sustainability. As we look out into the future, the biggest things we can do is make little changes every day. It's our responsibility to make sure that the products that we're putting out into the field have no refrigeration leaks, as well as using refrigerants that are environmental friendly in case something does happen.
I think Kysor Warren is moving to the future in a way that's sustainable, that's good for the environment, that's good for the trade, that's good for our employees and our people, our internal and our external customers, and it's good for the world that we all live in. I think that's the right direction to go.